Anyone want to talk about Star Wars? Star Wars? Star Wars? I like Star Wars. You like Star Wars? Yeah. Star Wars? Give you a movie.
James, that's not you yawning back there, is it?
No.
That's really Salem.
Not at all.
I heard a yawn.
Stop yawning, Ashton.
Wait.
Jeez.
Sounded a bit like you.
You walk on It's a Small World now.
Kate, did you come with stories to tell?
I made that up.
I have told the Magic Pocket story again because, you know,
Okay.
it's a good one.
Well, I ask because there's
Have
a
others.
challenge here. Somebody loves hearing Simon speaking his native tongue, though they don't understand it.
That's okay.
So they have a challenge for someone to tell a brief story with pauses, like in little
So he can
chunks,
translate?
for him to translate.
Oh,
so they won't
nice.
understand it, but he can hear it. And I feel Simon's language skills, because he speaks fluent English. You can't really tell it's a second language. So I think your translation skills are probably better. Because I know translating is not the same thing.
I can try.
It's just.
I like no promises as to the quality or speed of translation.
But
I
they
will
won't
try.
know anyway.
Yeah, you just make stuff up.
Well, I think I can tell my part 2 to my motorcycle lessons.
Oh.
Okay.
Because-
All right, here we go. Here's Simon. You want to use the mic?
Because that has some dramatic pauses in it anyway.
Dramatic
Excellent.
pause.
So, are you ready,
I'm
translator?
ready. Jeg er klar til at oversætte.
All right. On a range in New Mexico,
På en mark i New Mexico
she took her second lesson.
tog hun sin anden lektion.
She had learned much the first time.
Hun havde lært en masse første gang,
Where the clutch was,
hvor jeg kan ikke huske hvad det hedder på dansk, men hvor den ting var.
where the brake was,
Hvor bremsen var,
and most importantly, where the kill switch was.
og hvor kill switchen var. There is no translation for kill switch.
That's okay. She mounted said motorcycle,
Hun steg op på motorcyklen,
proceeded to go around the track,
kørte et par gange rundt om banen.
made corner 1 safely,
Hun kom rundt om første hjørne i sikkerhed,
made corner 2 safely,
og lige så anden hjørne.
made corner 3 safely,
Tredje hjørne lige så.
corner 4, forgot where the rear brake was,
På fjerde hjørne glemte hun, hvor bagbremsen var.
coming in hot into a corner.
Og hun kom med høj hastighed ind i hjørnet.
Hot meaning fast.
Yep, that's what I said.
Aiming right for a curb.
Hun sigtede lige efter kantstenen.
First thoughts through her head were,
De første tanker, der gik igennem hendes hoved, var,
you're gonna die.
nu skal jeg dø.
Second thoughts were,
Anden tanke,
what would your brother do?
hvad ville min bror gøre?
She straightened up the front tire,
Hun udlignede forhjulet,
gave it as much throttle as humanly possible,
trådte på speederen så hårdt hun nu kunne,
and mounted the curb.
og kørte op på kantstenen.
The instructor came over
Instruktøren kom hen
and whispered quietly,
og viskede så stille, som man nu kunne.
those are advanced techniques, Kate.
Kate, de her er avancerede teknikker.
We're not teaching those.
Dem lærer vi jer ikke.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mange tak.
Good job.
I feel like Chad's like tired of looking at me at this point, so I'm gonna go grab some food.
Okay, cool. All right. I have to do something really quick. This is a challenge so that little lady Hosk doesn't get mad. We can't,
we
have,
can't
little
have
lady
little lady Hosk getting mad.
So I have to do this to appease her.
Oh, did you frustrate her by only doing part?
Apparently.